Hi, Ashley from Integrity, here at 19 to 21 Sugarwood Road in Worrigee. If executive living in a brand new apartment, low maintenance sounds like you, look no further than this. Set within a quiet location here in Worrigee, with only 4 villas in the complex, boasting generous living inside and out, with a number of high-end features including underfloor heating to the bathrooms, ducted reverse cycle air conditioning and stainless steel appliances, just to name a few of the many features here. I'm Ashley from Integrity. For more information with regards to these villas here, give me a call.